welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at GALA or GALA Games. GALA Games is currently at the 4 cents level of the $0.0439 level. We are currently ranked at number 30 with a market cap of about $1.34 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $249 million. And today we are going to be looking at price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for GALA Games. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? And so in the last 24 hours, our GALA Games up about 2.7%. Without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So for GALA Games, we want to start right here from the weekly GALA Games versus the USD dollars. The weekly open determines about the things that is going to happen that week, right? And last week we saw this rejection right here of our 100 weekly EMA, so that massive rejection to the downside right here back into our trending EMAs. Currently, we have seen our weekly open below last week's candle, showing that we could see one more drop right here before we see any push to the upside, right? And I'll show you why, right? Because if we basically just flip to the daily time frame, the daily time frame shows us even better, more context right here to what we are expecting, right? Sorry about that. And so basically one of the things we said right here usually was, right, for GALA Games, that usually when we see the trend in EMAs flipped bearish, we usually retest, or sometimes the bull market EMA, or even below the bull market EMA before we see this push to the upside, right? And as you can see, the moment we saw this flip right here, in the 11th of April, we're saying with a very high likelihood we could see a retest of our bull market EMA, right? So this week, we should expect one more drop right here into this to retest this bull market EMA level before we see any sort of bounce right here for GALA Games, right? So because of this open doesn't look bullish enough as we are below all our EMA, so we could see one more push right here even to this downside or to the 0 point. Let's get these values exactly into the $0.034 level before we could see any sort of bounce, right? Another reason is if we just look at the volume profile, the volume profile showed us right here we became bearish since the 17th of March, right? We made a video about taking profit season right around that period, saying that we are seeing our volume profile flip bearish, right? That means the bears were in control of the momentum. Yes, prices were pushing to the upside, but momentum was in favor of the bears, right? So we said you want to begin to take profit right here at these levels, as since then, as you can see, we have basically been consolidating and basically seen that push to the downside right here for GALA Games, right? So the bears are still in control, showing that we should expect one more drop before we see any sort of massive bounce right here for GALA Games, right? So that's the update right here on GALA. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day ahead.